Hello everyone. Today's video is about makeup tips and tricks for beginners that you have never heard before. So stay with me until the end if you want to learn basics. Let's get started. Here are some makeup tips and tricks to help you enhance your natural beauty. Prep your skin. First of all, you have to prep your skin first. Before applying makeup, make sure that your skin is clean and moisturized. This will create a smooth canvas for your makeup application and help it last longer. Consider using a primer to further smooth out your skin's texture and create a flawless base. Choose right foundation shade. When selecting a foundation, test the shade on your jawline or inner wrist to find a match that blends seamlessly with your skin tone. It's important to choose a shade that matches your undertone, cool, warm, or neutral for a natural look. Blend foundation with a damp sponge. Use a damp makeup sponge to blend your foundation for a seamless finish. This technique helps to distribute the product evenly and avoids a heavy khaki appearance. Use color correctors. If you have specific skin concerns like redness or dark under eye circles, then consider using color correctors before applying foundation. For example, a green color corrector can neutralize redness, while a peach or orange corrector can counteract dark circles. Apply concealer in triangle shape. To brighten up your under eye area, apply concealer in a triangle shape with the point towards your cheek. This technique helps to lift and highlight the eyes, giving a more awake and youthful appearance. Set your foundation and concealer. After applying foundation and concealer, set them with a light dusting of translucent powder. This helps to prevent creasing and keeps your makeup in place throughout the day. Enhance your eyes. To make your eyes appear bigger and more awake, apply a light-colored eyeshadow or highlighter on your brow bone and inner corners of the eyes. Curl your lashes and then apply mascara for added definition. You can also experiment with different eyeshadow colors and techniques to enhance your eye shape and create different looks. Define your brows. Fill in your eyebrows with a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color and then brush them into place with spoolie brush for a polished look. Contour and highlight strategically. Use a matte bronzer or contour powder to define your cheekbones, jawline, and temples. Apply a highlighter on the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow, to add a subtle glow. Here I am sharing contour tutorial for beginners. Choose the right shade of lipstick. When it comes to lipstick, I suggest that experimenting with different lipstick shades will help a lot to find what suits your complexion and personal style. For a natural look, choose shades that are close to your natural lip color. If you want to make a statement, then try bold or vibrant shades that complement your skin tone. Here are some shades and combos which you use at the time of makeup, and I know that you will surely going to love it. That's it. But remember, makeup is a form of self-expression, so feel free to experiment and have fun with it. Practice different techniques, find what works best for you, and most importantly, embrace your own unique beauty. Thanks for watching, lovelies. If you liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.